We've got developments coming in when it comes to the censor certificate that was pending for Jana Nayagan. In the latest update coming from the hearing that was taking place, ASG Sundaresan has said that the movie will have to be reviewed by a fresh review committee comprising members who were not a part of the examining committee. Advocate Satish Parasaran for KVN Production says it is not the chairman of CBFC but only the CEO who had written to the regional officer in Chennai. There were 5 members in the examining committee and each of them had recorded their recommendations individually. How can one member of that committee send a complaint? Only today, the production firm has come to know that it is one of the members of the examining committee who had filed the complaint. The production firm was kept in the dark about the complaint till today. Dharini joins us for more. Dharini, give us the highlights of this court hearing.
Well, Additional Solicitor General A.R.L. Sundaresan, who was arguing for the CBFC, he told that Jana Nayagan was reviewed by an examining committee consisting of 5 members. So one of the members of the examining committee has now raised a complaint about certain scenes in the movie. And because of this complaint, now the movie is being forwarded to a fresh review committee is what the CBFC has told in the Madras High Court. So they've told that the court cannot interfere in the process of the censor certification. The court can only set a timeline for that, but the court cannot interfere in the process of the CBFC certification. So the movie will now be forwarded to a fresh review committee, and this review committee will watch the movie and decide further is what CBFC has told in the Madras High Court. And following that, a senior advocate Satish Parasaran, who was appearing for KVN Productions, that is the production house of the film, he told that the examining committee had 5 members, and if 4 members don't have any issues with the movie and only 1 member is raising a complaint, how can that be a valid complaint? Because the CBFC should ultimately go by majority and not minority. So if majority members of the examination committee are okay with the movie, getting certified U by A, then what is the issue? Why is this one complaint by one of the members of the committee is being taken so seriously is what the production house is questioning at this point. So Justice P.T. Asha of the Madras High Court, she is hearing arguments from both the sides, and it looks like most likely the orders will be reserved, but the production house is keen on getting an order today itself, because they publicly announced that the release date of the movie is January 9, that is day after tomorrow. Since there is only 1 day for the scheduled release of the movie, the production house is going to request for an order today itself, but it is up to the judge to decide whether she wants to give an order today itself or whether she wants to reserve the order.
Okay, a lot riding on whether the court decides to issue the orders today or later. But either ways, given the process that is being elaborated upon in the court, Dharini, it looks like there is no way that the movie could be released on the 9th of January as it was slated to.
Well, definitely. Even if the court gives a positive judgment for KVN Productions today, it is a very less time before the scheduled release of the movie, because the movie is supposed to hit the screens on the morning of January 9, that is the morning of day after tomorrow. So they literally have only 24 hours, in between. And still the court is yet to make its decision. So it remains to be seen whether the court is going to give a green signal to the production house or not, whether the court is going to pronounce judgment today or not. So a lot is in stake as far as Jana Nayagan is concerned. And talking about the fans of Mr. Vijay, it is more than a movie for them.
Yes.
This is Vijay's last movie, their beloved Talapathi's last film, and this film facing such legal hurdles, it is only making the fans, sad and worried.
Yes, a lot riding on the movie, not just theatrically, but also politically. We'll keep tracking developments coming in from the court. Thank you, Dharini. We shift our focus to another movie now.